Beauty. Well, beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Is that really true? Well, a yes and a no. Come on, let's find out. I'm Dr. Jyoti Aneja, your aesthetic dermatologist with over 16 years of experience in dermatology and aesthetics. My heartfelt goal is to support and guide you on your journey to healthier, more radiant skin and hair. Because I truly believe everyone deserves to feel confident and comfortable in their own skin. Let me begin by asking you a question. जब आप किसी को first time मिलते हो, so what is that one thing that you always end up noticing?
I think eyes, because I've always been told that my eyes are pretty, so I also look for, I notice eyes.
उनके आईब्रोज
क्यों?
क्योंकि आई डोंट नो व्हाई बट आईब्रोज देखती हूँ बट इट इज़ वियर्ड. ओके इट इज़ वियर्ड.
At the first time, I noticed lips, majorly like lips. My thing is like lips only.
बेसिकली आई नोटिस हेयर बिकॉज मुझे लंबे घने बाल बहुत पसंद है.
मैं देखती हूँ कि उनमें डिम्पल है या नहीं है उनके फेस पे.
Smile. For me, body.
एंड वो डिपेंड करता है कि सामने लड़का है कि लड़की है.
Did you see? Everyone spoke about a physical attribute. Now let's break it down from an aesthetic dermatologist's point of view. When a patient walks into my room, I end up scanning them from head to toe. Not to generate any insecurities, not to point out your flaws, but only to figure out what is it that is your strength. What is it that I can enhance and make you the best version of yourself? They say beauty lies in the eyes of the beholder. Well, I feel beauty lies in the moments when you feel most like yourself, at ease, comfortable, and pretty on the inside. बचपन से we've been fed with ideas. गोरा है, सुंदर है. काला है, no, not for me. पतला है तो great है. मोटा है, unhealthy. If it is a boy, he has to be tall, dark and handsome. If it is a girl, घने मुलायम काले बाल चाहिए. कौन सी किताब में लिखी है ये बातें? किसने डिसाइड किया कि ब्यूटीफुल क्या है? What may be beautiful to you may not be attractive to me. So beauty, my friends, is very, very subjective. ब्यूटी डिफाइन करने के पैरामीटर्स तो बहुत सारे हैं, बट मेडिकली जिनको हम कंसिडर करते हैं वो क्या हैं? सबसे पहला आपका स्किन क्वालिटी, द टेक्सचर ऑफ योर स्किन, द सिमेट्री ऑफ योर फेस, द प्रोपोर्शंस, the features, if at all you have any unique traits. किसी को डिम्पल है, किसी को तिल है, किसी को ब्यूटी स्पॉट है, किसी को freckles है, which is individual to everyone. There is no one size fits all. There is no one mold जिसे हम लगा दें तो everybody becomes beautiful. Everyone is pretty in their own right, but as a dermatologist, we definitely check for these 5 things when we are looking at creating beauty. बहुत ज्ञान हो गया ना? चलो, let's make this a little simple for you. ऐसा कौन है जिसे आप भी जानते हो, हम भी जानते हैं, जेनजीज, मिलेनियल्स, एवरीबॉडी लाइक? शाहरुख खान के फेशियल फीचर्स को डायसेक्ट करें? कम विद मी. The two sides of your face are always cousins, never twins. शाहरुख खान को ही देख लो. Now you will see that two sides, his jawline, even his eyebrows are not symmetrical. But that is what adds character to his personality. And that dimple, that's the cherry on the top. सबको तो नहीं होता, but not everybody looks nice with that also. But there are some people who look absolutely characteristic, charming, and charismatic with those features. So that's the magic. Beauty isn't perfection. It is the emotion. It's the personality. It's these little quirks that make you, you. Beauty actually starts inside your body. एक सिंपल सा कॉन्सेप्ट है. गट मेरा क्लियर होगा, स्किन मेरी हेल्दी दिखेगी. पुअर गट हेल्थ होगा, एक्ने आएगा, डलनेस आएगा. When we talk about sleep, you have to non-negotiable sleep for 8 hours every day. आए अब हाइड्रेशन के ऊपर, तो पानी तो पीना ही पड़ेगा. नाउ 8 से 10 ग्लास जब हम बोलते हैं, इफ दैट इज नॉट इनफ, मेक श्योर दैट यू ड्रिंक 2 liters of water every 1 day. और इधर से पानी पी रहे हो, इधर से सिगरेट पी रहे हो तो नहीं चलेगा. यू कैन नॉट हाइड्रेट एंड डिहाइड्रेट योर स्किन एट द सेम टाइम. मेक श्योर यू क्विट स्मोकिंग एंड यू हैव टू ड्रिंक 2 to 3 liters water every day. और जब बात आती है न्यूट्रिशन की, what goes inside reflects on the outside. So you have to make sure you add a lot of colors to your plate. Your plate should always look balanced. 3 different colored fruits every day, 3 different colored vegetables every day, and make sure you're at least having 3 to 4 small frequent meals on a daily basis. और breakfast को तो skip करना ही मत. और जब बात आती है स्ट्रेस की, जैसे ही स्ट्रेस बढ़ जाता है वैसे ही हमारे कॉर्टिसोल हार्मोन्स बढ़ जाते हैं. कॉर्टिसोल बढ़ गया तो मतलब मेरा ऑयल प्रोडक्शन बढ़ जाएगा, ऑयल प्रोडक्शन बढ़ जाएगा तो एक्ने आ जाएगा, स्किन ऑयली लगेगी, डल लगेगी, अनइवन लगेगी, अनहेल्दी लगेगी. So obviously that's why we keep ranting about medical health, mental health all the time. Make sure that you take out at least 10 to 15 minutes in your everyday schedule to do just some basic breathing exercises, yoga, whatever form of meditation that you think, or anything that makes you happy. Because if you're happy, that's surely going to reflect onto your skin. And talking about hormones, a balanced hormone profile is as important for your physical health as it is for your skin to look good. And balanced hormones are as important for a man as they are for a woman. Because a female with hormonal imbalance may just crop some facial hair, but if the hormonal imbalance in men starts to shoot up, you may just lose your hair on the scalp as well. So you got to be very, very mindful of this. So the bottom line is, एक healthy, अच्छी skin के लिए हमें क्या करना है? हमें अच्छे से सोना है 8 घंटे, ढेर सारा पानी पीना है, कलरफुल खाना खाना है, फ्राइड ऑयली फूड से दूर रहना है, स्ट्रेस को बाय बाय कर देना है, और you have to make sure that your hormones are in check. So थोड़ी सी एक्सरसाइज ऑन अ डेली बेसिस अपने रूटीन में इंक्लूड करनी ही करनी है. बायोलॉजिकल एवोल्यूशन 1, बिकॉज ये पिक्चर जो हम देख रहे हैं एक 16 साल की क्यूट सी बच्ची की है. दूसरी चीज, ड्रास्टिक वेट लॉस, सो दैट कॉज्ड अ लॉट ऑफ ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन, rhinoplasty, jawline transformation, and a little bit lip tweak. So a good aesthetic job is always unpredictable. They always say, oh, you look great, did you just get back from a vacation? So problem है तो solution है. If you have flat brows, we can fix those. If you have highly arched brows, we can fix that as well. If you have a lot of lines on your upper face, smile करते हैं तो बहुत सारी lines आती हैं, उन सब चीज़ों को भी fix किया जा सकता है. If you're unhappy with your dark circles, the khaddas around your eyes, we can definitely help you fix those. Mid cheek में ऐसा लगता है, mid face में ऐसा लगता है कि flattening है, हम definitely आपकी प्रोफाइल को enhance कर सकते हैं. You feel you have a short chin, face बिल्कुल गोल लगता है, बड़ा लगता है, boxy लगता है, we can fix that. Nose टेढ़ी है, लंबी है, छोटी है, short है, stubby है, we can help you fix that as well. We can transform your smile, we can help you tweak your lips, we can give you a sharp jaw, but we stay within the realistic limits of not making you look like a different person. We can definitely help you be the best version of yourself. So we will be your one-stop destination for all things skin, hair and beauty inside and out. So that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed our content so far, and like, share and subscribe to our content so we can keep making more of these graceful transformations. I'll see you in the next one.